right, so what's going on, everybody? LiveWire community, Diego here, like always, saying hi, what's going on? I am here with my partner, Norbert. Now, you guys noticed that a couple of days ago, I shot out a little Instagram photo of my display on my motorcycle, which is all scratched up, screwed up. I mean, it's like, it sucked. And I was really upset about it. And I told you guys on the Instagram post, I said, I'm gonna do something about this and I'm gonna engineer a solution for you guys. Which my magic master here, Norbert, and I have been working on something really special. So you guys saw the picture that I posted, and I'll post this on this video. And then I'm gonna show you the picture after the fact of the same exact motorcycle, which is, you know, the Carbon Edition red bike that we have here, the only one in existence, with you guys. So here Norbert is gonna show us the process of installing what we created for you guys. So basically, in a nutshell, is we've sat down and done some kind of technical drawings, engineering and stuff like that, and we replicated the size of that screen onto some special substrate, which is 3M substrate, and that substrate is gonna get applied on top. And it's gonna protect the screen from future scratches if you already have. If you already have some, it's gonna hide some, and it's gonna protect you from future scratches if that case comes. Now, one of the beauty about this screen, this material that we have, it's self-healing. So if for whatever reason you start seeing more scratches, the heat of the sun will kind of heal it all over again, which is pretty damn awesome if you ask me. So right now we're gonna do a real short demo of how to install this, and at the end I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys where you guys can go out and get it now. All right, Albert, so show me what's going on. So what do we have here?
So basically the idea is here, it's an 8mm paint protection film with a self-healing top coat. And the way it's installed is you use a slip solution, which is basically water with a little bit of lubricant on there. So if you want to go ahead and show the screen, I'm going to go ahead and do it now.
Let me flip this camera angle for the viewers so we can get a better...
Okay, so first thing you do is you spray your screen and just take your squeegee. This is the cleaning step.
So we have to thoroughly clean the screen before we apply anything to it, is what you're telling me, right?
Yes.
All right.
So once you've done that, you can ensure you got any dust or fine hair off of there. And then you're going to spray both sides of the protective film kit and the screen. And then you're just going to lay it in place there. And the pattern is accurately designed. It's intentionally designed to sit just inside the border of the frame, so you don't have any overhangs or any problems installing it. And then you're just gonna go ahead and do a 50% overlap. So every section that you squeegee, you're gonna squeegee over half of the thickness of the squeegee over. And then it gives you about maybe 20-30 seconds to allow you to slide it into position, so you'll go ahead and center it. And then once that's done, you just spray it one more time and give it about a medium pressure. Just go over it one more time, make sure you got all the water out. And you're done.
So those hideous scratches that I had on my bike now have totally disappeared.
Yeah, it'll cover the existing scratches as long as they're not like excessively deep.
Yeah, if you have really deep scratches, obviously you'll see some dimples on the plastic.
Yeah.
But that's better compared to what you had before.
Yeah, as long as they're fine scratches, it'll hide them. And then any fine scratches that you develop will self-repair themselves just by
And that's what blows my mind. Like self-repair. This is like Terminator shit we're talking about.
Yeah,
which is crazy.
The technology has been around for a while. It's primarily used on the outsides of cars.
But now we're doing the screens.
You get creative, you can use it in other areas.
So like I told you guys, we've worked on this. We've been working on this for a couple of days now, just kind of tooling here, fixing there, tweaking here. I mean, there was a lot of drawing, a lot of technical, we have equipment here that does all this stuff right here. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna probably be screwing this up on the Facebook page. If you guys go to the Facebook page, which you guys know what it is, facebook.com/HD LiveWire. In there, there's a shop section. Just go in there, order it, pay for it, and it'll be shipped to you right away. It's easy to install, as you can see. It doesn't take much than just squeegee, some solution, a bottle, and the towel, and you're ready to go. You will protect that screen. I highly recommend it. If you just got your LiveWire, do it. I've had mine since October last year, and you guys saw the picture that I posted. now, if I would have known about this, or if I would have had this opportunity back, 6-7 months ago, I would have protected the screen from day one. So dealerships can probably stock up on these, and we are going to be probably expanding on the level of shields that we're going to make. So we're probably going to make for some of the touring bikes, for some of the other bikes, and I'm also talking to other vendors, manufacturers of bikes like the Zeros, the Energicas, who are probably going to need this as well, and we'll have them custom made for them, so we can just order and ship to you guys. Whatever you guys need. All right, let me know what you guys think. Put some comments down in the section, and hopefully I can see you guys flying some of these on top and protecting your bikes. And it's a $30,000 investment. Later.